Alright, in this video you're going to learn how to draw a title block for a floor plan. This title block is different because it's environmental design. So while title blocks can vary in design, they must contain the information that is standard practice. So you must have a drawing title, a project title, a scale, sheet size, north point indicator, your author's name, date drawn, and sheet number. So again, in the technical drawing specifications, there is this here. So you can see the drawing title, it says ground floor. Then it's the project title, so Park Resident Warrigal. There's scale, sheet size, so we will always be working with a sheet size of A3. You must have the word north, and you must use this symbol here. Then student name, the date, sheet number, and however many sheets you use for a floor plan, you'd always start with 01, and then 02 and 03, depending on how many sheets you use. We will only be using one sheet, so you'll only have 01. Okay. When you look at this as well, you can see that this line here, this is 2 millimeters thick, and these lines here, 1 and 2, are 1 millimeter thick. So when I go to my example floor plan here, I'm going to make sure there's no exact measurement for the title plan to be how far away it is from the floor plan. So you just want enough distance away from the floor plan. So make sure there's a large enough distance away, and then you're going to draw your first line. Then I'm going to measure it so it's 2 millimeters thick. I'm just going to shade that in. You can do this digitally as well. So there's my first line, that's 2 millimeters in thickness. Then your type, so the information, my drawing title, make sure it's all in capitals, and it should be 5 millimeters. So again, 5 millimeters in height for all of your information. Actually, I'm going to say, let's do it. Let's check. I'm going to check here. Yep, so this one is 5 millimeters in height. And this information here, so the sheet size is 3 millimeters. So the scale, sheet size, north is 3 millimeters. So this is 5 millimeters in height for the word ground floor, or yes, for yours, for the volcano, yours will be ground floor plan, and it'll be 5 millimeters in height. And then the project name, it'll also be 5 millimeters in height. And then all this information, so the scale, sheet size A3, north, your full name. So here you need your last name as well. 10th of July, you need the year as well as this is missing here. And the sheet number, all this information here needs to be 3 millimeters in height. And this number here is 7 millimeters in height. The space between each piece of information is, this is 11 millimeters. I'm going to say, 11 millimeters from here to here. And then 11 as well from here to here. So that's how you draw the title block for the floor plan.